Vitamin C seems to be the most popular vitamin of modern time. It is scientifically proven to boost immunity, slow aging, fight free radical, lower blood cholesterol, and many more. This is time to know more about vitamin C. Vitamin C. This vitamin has a remarkable history towards its discovery. Besides trading activities and defense operations of countries, we sail on sea today mostly for fun, recreation, sport, and experience. But throughout history, sailing has been instrumental in the development of civilization. Europeans started exploration of regions of art beginning about 4th century BCE for the purposes like satisfaction of curiosity, pursuit of trade, spread of religion, desire for security, political power, and discovery. Sailing was preferred mode of travel over land, whether it is trade, transport, or warfare. The age of discovery was a period from early 15th century to 17th century during which European states traveled around the world for new trading routes and partners. Countries conquered the world ocean and brought immense wealth and knowledge to Europe, but they came at a very high price. Millions of people died during the age of discovery. More sailors died of a disease called scurvy. When your body feels weak, your joints ache, your arms and legs swell, and your skin bruises at the slightest touch. As the disease progresses, your gums become spongy, your teeth loosen, and your old wound open. As of now, we all know that scurvy is caused by vitamin C deficiency. According to historian Stephen Bound, scurvy was responsible for more deaths at sea than any other reason. During those days, people were traveling the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean, and all of these voyages that they were going to be at sea continuously for more than 3 months. Everybody on the ship would be living on preserved food, without any fresh vegetables and fruits, where scurvy was the most obvious manifestation. Scottish physician James Lind, a naval surgeon, observed the preventive and curative powers of the citrus fruit and lemon juice in prevention of scurvy. He recommended mandatory consumption of lemon juice and citrus fruit for British sailors. By 1795, Lind's advocacy had resulted in the issuance of lime juice to all naval vessels and gradual elimination of scurvy within the entire British fleet. It would take more years to pinpoint the scurvy prevention substance responsible for maintaining body's connective tissues. That would take meticulous work of a brilliant Hungarian scientist named Albert György, who isolated and identified vitamin C. He was recognized with a Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine in 1937. His discovery was among the foundation of modern nutrition. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, a water-soluble vitamin and an essential micronutrient. It is called essential as our body cannot synthesize it, and we need vitamin C for many biochemical and physiological function. We have to eat certain kind of food to get vitamin C in our body. World Health Organization recommends 45 mg of vitamin C per day to get optimum health benefit. Why we need vitamin C and how it functions in our body. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. By antioxidant, we mean an organic compound that are very active in preventing our body from the harmful effect of free radicals. Free radicals are unstable and very reactive particles in our bodies generated from necessary metabolic processes or some external sources. Free radicals can damage lipids, protein, DNA, and trigger a number of chronic health issues like cardiovascular disease, inflammatory disease, cataract, cornea, cancer, and many more. Vitamin C is needed for the formation of collagen. Collagen constitutes the principal protein of skin, bones, teeth, cartilage, tendon, blood vessels, heart valves, cornea, eye lenses, etc. Thereby, vitamin C helps in wound healing. Vitamin C protects the immune system, reduces the severity of an allergic reaction, and helps fighting an infection. Vitamin C facilitates the conversion of cholesterol into bile acids, thereby lowers the blood cholesterol level. Most important food sources of vitamin C. Amla or Indian gooseberry is an abundant source of vitamin C. 100 gram of amla can provide you 600 mg of vitamin C. Simply 1 amla a day is sufficient enough to provide you your daily requirement of vitamin C. Lemon is also a good source of vitamin C. 100 gram of lemon provides you approximately 38 to 40 gram of vitamin C. Orange, grapes, and other citrus fruits are good sources of vitamin C. Cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, potato are good vegetable sources of vitamin C. While using vegetable and fruit sources of vitamin C, we should keep in our mind two important things. Number one, vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. If we wash vegetable or fruits after chopping, we lose a significant amount of vitamins. Vitamin C is sensitive to heat, that is, heat destroys vitamin C. If we boil, fry or heat vegetable or fruits, we destroy vitamin C in the process.